Kavita Ramdas said, "We need women who are so strong they can be gentle, so educated they can be humble, so fierce they can be compassionate, so passionate they can be rational, and so disciplined they can be free." We need strong women. Here at the Jamaica Observer, we choose to challenge.
I choose to challenge employers to take action against workplace harassment.
I choose to challenge women to seek out careers in areas that have been traditionally filled by men.
I choose to challenge women to fix each other's crowns and celebrate each other's wins.
I choose to challenge men to support their women who are strong and independent.
I choose to challenge women to accept their flaws and to understand that beauty truly lies within.
I choose to challenge women to help their sisters and give them a hand whenever necessary.
I choose to challenge mothers to be good examples for their daughters, to teach them hard work by showing resilience, strength, courage, and independence, to help them to believe in themselves and always strive for excellence.
I
choose to
challenge
women, mothers and daughters alike,
fathers, sons, and brothers,
to help strengthen and uplift the women in our society.